Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make mixed vegetables. This video has been made by the help of Wazas or Kashmiri local chefs. Though this combination was seemingly incompatible to my eyes, but trust me, it tastes delectable with very minimum ingredients. Let's get started. The Wazas or the local chefs started with adding round chopped radish and carrot to oil, and they have started frying it. Here you can see. At this stage, they have added salt and whole spices like green cardamom, black cardamom, and cinnamon. Here you can see they are stirring it continuously and frying it for a long time. In this dish, they have not added any chilies or turmeric powder. They have added some whole spices and salt and few more ingredients that I am going to show you. Once carrots and radishes are fried properly, then they add canned peas. If you are not going to use canned peas, you can just boil them for a few minutes and then add, and they have added cucumber slices. Here you can see these are normal round sliced cucumber. So here in this video you can see there are four main ingredients or four main vegetables that we have used, that we mostly use for making salads. They have used to make it a dish. After adding cucumber and frying it for some time, they are going to add tamarind water. I had showed you in previous video how they make tamarind water when I showed you sour brinjal or sakwangan recipe. That was also made by Wazas. Tamarind or imli water enhances the taste, and moreover they are going to add a few ingredients that include saunf powder or fennel seed powder, dry ginger powder or shont, and they have added a dash of pudina or dried mint. Here you can see they are mixing it properly. So here you can see they keep stirring it, and then they are adding cumin seeds and a spoonful of ghee. So in Wazwan, ghee is added at the end to enhance the flavor. Everything in Wazwan is slow cooked. It's the result of patience and hard work that we get to see. So here our unique vegetable dish is ready, and as you saw in this video, almost all the tamarind water is also absorbed. Here you can see, and they are taking the salt. You can adjust salt according to your taste. And here our unique dish is ready, and it tastes appetizing. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.